Hi, everybody. This is the explanation of the lesson for November 22 to 26. So let's see what we have. All my students are doing an excellent work, so I just want to thank you. We have lots of fun when we have our lessons. So I'm very happy that you are doing your homework. Everybody's working really, really hard. So let's see what we have for November 22 to 26 for that week. I'll make my I will share my screen and then I will explain everything. Okay, let's see. So we go to our blog. You remember we have a blog, Teacher Carolina's blog, that level 2. Make it bigger. If you should already have this Carolina level 2 blogspot.com in your notebook. Whenever you want to click on it, whenever you want to go on it, you can just go there and check the whole work for the whole week. Okay, so let's see what we have for this week. I'll make it bigger. Okay, so for this week, we'll continue learning more about instructions and we'll start a little bit with present continuous. Okay, during the live lesson, I will explain more about the present continuous. For Monday, I put some explanation here, but I will make specifically explanation for this grammar point and I will send it out to everybody. So even the students, if you have an appointment, you cannot make it to the live lesson, you will know how to use present continuous. So here, here, how to form present continuous, we are using it with actions that are happening right now at this moment, or sometimes we can use present continuous for the future. For example, I am going to Europe next summer, okay, for future. But most of the time we are using it for now, right, at this moment. How to form verb to present continuous, sorry. You need to use the verb to be and the verb and then ing. So if you want, you can copy this in your notebook. If you want, you can wait for my video and then I will send out more explanation to you shortly, probably tomorrow. Okay, so how to make the ing forms? There are some rules here. If you have an e at the end, then you drop the e and add ing. So come, coming, lose, losing, live, living, anything else, mostly just add ing. If you have a consonant, vowel, consonant at the end, like H, it's a consonant, I is a vowel, T is a consonant, then you double the last consonant, but we'll practice this more during the live lesson too. You can copy this in your notebook. I will send it out tomorrow. And then I have a little practice here about present continuous. Let me make it bigger. Sometimes you will hear, instead of present continuous, you will hear it present progressive, okay? So these are the ones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 5 exercises on the top. But you see how they have a verb to be, verb ing. You can click on the little speaker. She's brushing her teeth. He's feeding the cat. Is, feed, the verb, and ing. So always together. ing and the verb to be and the verb, they go together for present continuous. Then you have, once you finish, you can listen. I'm cleaning, you put it next to the correct. I'm fixing the car, you can put it next to the correct sentence. When you finish with all, you can check your answers on the top, at the top. There you go. Then you can go back, go to the next exercise. Again, this is mostly listening. Carlos is painting, so this one goes under this. I'm fixing the car, goes under. Again, you can check your answers. When you are done, then you can go back to the next one. So here you have to write the sentences. So if you copied the sentences in your notebook, it will be easy for you. And then I remember this one, this was I'm fixing the car, okay? And then if you copied in your notebook, you just have to copy here and then you can check your answer, see this one was correct. And you have one more exercise at the end. When you listen, Bob is washing the window. Okay, don't forget that every sentence starts with capital letter and ends with a full stop, okay, or period. There you go. If you want to check it, there you go. This was correct. Okay, so this will be Monday's practice, and this one you don't have to send back anything for Monday. It's not homework, it's only practice. Okay, for Tuesday, on Tuesday at 9 o'clock, we have the lesson for the morning students. 10 o'clock, we have the lesson for the afternoon students. Okay, when you see the green heart, you remember the green heart means both for morning and afternoon. So what you have to do here, I will also explain it on Tuesday. I can make it a little bit bigger. These little ones you can click, it's like a speaker. It says pour the water carefully into the glass. Let's make it bigger. And then you just have to match it. Let me try to do one more for you. Boil the water in a pan for 10 minutes. Well, this is not really a pan, but this is the boiling water. So this one goes here. Okay, let's try one more. Chop the onions, chop, cut up. There you go. I'm chopping the onions. Okay, so don't forget to mix each picture with each recording. Okay, once you are done, there are some fill in the blanks. First, heat the oven. How do you make a chocolate cake? Next, break the eggs, then mix, put the sugar and butter in a bowl. After that, mix the chocolate with a spatula. Finally, mix all the ingredients and bake it in the oven. Okay, but there is the one. It tells you here. What's the next step? Whisk the eggs in a bowl. Stir the butter with a spoon. If you don't understand everything, then try to translate it in Google Translate. Otherwise, I will show it to you on Tuesday. Okay, good. So you remember when you finish, click on the finish button, write your name in here, and then click on send so the teacher will get your homework. Okay, so this is one practice, and then a morning students will have another practice for Tuesday. It's this picture, and you have to write sentences. The verbs are here: sing, drink, take, dig, talk, mock. Mock is kind of like a joke. Play, ask, shout, sleep, cradle, ride, swim, feed, drive, fly, cry, and run. And once you write your sentences, please send it back to the teacher. So there are 23 sentences. Look at the pictures and write the sentences by using this one. But you remember that you have to use the verb and ing. So they are playing. It is raining. He is driving a truck. He is swimming, for example. Okay. So this for the morning students, and the afternoon students, they have to listen to this YouTube video and they have to put these instructions in the correct order. Make it bigger for you. Okay, so which one is number 1? Which one is number 2? Which one is number 3? Which one is number 4? When you send this one back, please don't just put here 3, 2, 1, 4, 7 or 5. I want you to copy also these ones so I can see which one is number 1. Okay, number 1 would be insert card into ATM machine. So this is number 1. So we'll put number 1, insert card into ATM machine. And listen to this short YouTube video. It's explaining it nicely. Okay, so let's see what we have for Wednesday. For Wednesday practice, we have more online classroom vocabulary. We practiced some of this before. Now you will practice some more. Okay, video, no video, start, stop, mute, share, screen, raise your hand. For some reason, it didn't show. Let me go to live worksheets for a second and find that one. Didn't show, didn't open like that. Let me see. Okay, my worksheets. And that was, this is our teacher Carolina's work here, but that was, let's see. I can find it. Checks, no checks. This will be your reading test. I believe you finished this one, part 1 and part 2. Yes, you did finish that one. Let me see, maybe it's here. Okay, 1 second. Let me see. It's not here. Okay, I will find it for you. Anyway, so this is just vocabulary. Which one is the video? No video, start, stop, mute, share. I will explain that during our live lesson. Okay, small groups, leave. And then you have a grammar practice, present continuous. What you have to do, put the ing here, brush, brushing, listen, listening, play, playing, do, doing, make, making. You remember when you have an E at the end, you drop the E and then you have ing. Here, again, you have to use the verb to be with the ing. If it says not wash, then you would have Josephina and Leah are not washing the dishes, okay? I will explain that more on Tuesday. Okay, then let's see what else we have here. This was for Wednesday, okay? Thursday, again, we have a morning class for the 9 o'clock for the morning students, and 10 o'clock we have the afternoon class. Then what the morning students have to do, they have to watch this video and do the exercise. So if you can click here, or you can watch on the blog, or I will send it out, write down 3 ingredients on the lines, maybe more than 3, but you can pick only 3. Okay, copy the first step from the video. First step, what you have to do first. After that, you have to match these ones with the correct pictures. Okay, then it says copy the last step in your notebook. Again, from the video, you will see the last step. Count the steps the woman gives. How many steps are there? You just have to put here a number, maybe 13, maybe 23. I'm not sure. So here you will put a number. Put the pizza base on a tray is step number, I don't know what number. When you finish, click on the finish button. I just want to show you quickly the video. Okay. When this one comes up, they always have the advertisement, but you can click on skip ads. Let's just see. Yes, see? Now, here, this is number 10. So these are the steps. The teacher shows you the steps and numbers the steps. So that's the number. Cover the bowl with a damp cloth and leave it in a warm place for an hour. So this is step number 10. Let me see if I can show you one more step. For example, this one, step number 13, take the dough out of the bowl and place it on the bench. Okay, so these are the steps. That's what you have to watch for. Okay, good. Let's go back. So this was for the morning students for Thursday. And afternoon students, they have a listening practice. That's what you have to click on. There is the YouTube video with present continuous here. And you have to answer, what is she doing? She is one. what is she doing? She is reading. So you have to type she is reading. You remember ing? She is reading. Then again, you play the video. So they say we are cooking. What are they doing? You see here is they. So we'll say they are cooking. There you go. Okay, then you answer these ones. Write the correct numbers to make correct sentences. So which one goes which one? The dog is sleeping on the bed. Walter are eating dinner with. No, Walter is not going with R because Walter is he and R is for plural. So Mr. and Mrs. Smith are eating dinner in the dining room. So here you would have to say, this is number 5, okay? Listen to the reporter at the end, here, at the end of the video, and then you can complete the information, the missing words. Okay, so that was for the afternoon student. For Friday, the morning students, they will have a reading test, and afternoon students will have a listening test, and this will be their listening test. They have to watch this video, and these are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. These are all the, let's make it bigger for you, okay? So these are the instructions, and the teacher will say instruction number 1, for example, join a Zoom meeting. So that will be H. So here you will click on H. Okay, when you finish with all, at the end, you will click on submit button and the teacher will get it. And don't forget, please don't forget to write your name at the beginning here. Where is it? Where is it? Name here. So don't forget to put your name, because if you don't put your name, you cannot send it to me. So this is it for this week. And on Monday, I will also send out a short video about the present continuous explanation, little bit more. And then on Tuesday and Thursday, I'm not explaining only the work, but I will also practice using present continuous. Okay, I hope everybody had a nice weekend, and see you on Tuesday at 9, the morning students, and 10 o'clock, the afternoon students. Okay, bye everybody.